Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 and I will show you how we can make hard reset of these buds. So the first we have to open the case of the buds and then go for Galaxy wearable application. If you don't know how to link these two devices, you can check the video on our YouTube channel, how to pair them. And right now, when they are connected and when we are in the application, we have to go for the earbud settings, then find reset. As you can see, all our earbud settings will be reset to their defaults. So click reset to confirm. And as you can see, the earbuds are reset. We can start with pairing them to our smartphone. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.